Hi folks, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series called Time Period Dimension Columns. Many dimensional databases or dimensional models need to have a way of representing time periods throughout the day. This tool provides the columns that are often used in a time period dimension and based on a certain number of minutes per time period. So for example here, what we're saying is there are 15 minutes per time period. So the first 15 minutes of the day would be time period 0. The next one would be time period 1, and so on during the day. Now this function takes any arbitrary time, in this case 10:17, and the length of the time period, and then returns the dimension columns. So let's take a look at this. In this case, 10:17 a.m. is time period 41 during the day. The hour is 10, the AM PM hour label is 10, and the 24-hour label is 10. Notice as an example also, I've used another time where we've got 82 as the time period, 20 is the hour, 08, 20. So this is something that's in the PM to give you a direct comparison. And so the minute, there's a minute label and a minute. We've got also in here an indication of whether this is an AM or PM time. There's an AM PM label. We then have a time period label. So this is not the time I had. Notice that was 10:17, but the time period that it's part of is called 10:15. So because there are 15 minutes per time period, each one will start on the 15-minute or quarter hour. The 24-hour label for that is 10:15. Notice this one down here, because it was 8:34, is the 8:30 p.m. time period, and it would be the 20:30 time period if you look as a 24-hour period. And finally, the end of this is showing what minute of the day this is based on the time period. And same with the minute of the day down here. So this is later in the evening. Look, I hope you'll find this tool useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.